Hey, what's up guys, your boy Jay with another video, and today we're gonna be working on the supercharger. We're gonna be draining the oil and putting in some new oil. It's been long overdue. I'm 100 miles over. I should have done it at 500 and now I'm at 600 miles. So to make things easier, I don't have a ramp or anything. I actually attempted to try and get onto there, but I couldn't get onto there, so now I have to use the sidewalk. As you can see, I have to use the sidewalk and like prop up the wheel, so I should have enough space. Already got the rod down. Here's the oil. I got two bottles of oil here. When you purchase the supercharger kit, it comes with 2 bottles and then they give you a nozzle. You guys will see when I open it up. 2 bottles of oil and synthetic oil, and they gave me a nozzle so it's easier to get in. So for this job, I'm gonna need my Allen key. I've been told it's 316, which I already have out. I have to test it in here. The dipstick, it fits, so we should be good. All right, guys. Sorry about that. So what I did, I had to pull the hose back up because this was a real pain. So I took the pliers, held the bottom part right here, and then I took the the wrench, and use it on the top part, but it was real stiff. Laying down on the ground, I wouldn't be able to get it. So I'm about to put this back underneath and then unscrew it with my fingers. Just showed you guys what I did up top. So finally, all I could do is use a little finger strength and drain it. Finally. You guys have no idea how long I've been struggling. And there it is. Oh God. It's real windy. I hope this cup don't spill. I want to leave it out here for a few minutes, but I might come back and have an oil spill. So I'll put the cup in the car for now because it's windy outside and I really don't want it spilling. And I'm gonna grab one of these and a nozzle. So finally, pull the dipstick out. I'm gonna head back underneath the car now. Guys, don't get confused like me when you're opening it, because I was confused as if it was this bolt or that one, but still dripping. But anyway, so it's this one. If you're ever pulling this off, or you know you have to drain your oil, it's the bottom one. All right, so it's on, but to tighten it up, I'm gonna pull it back through the hole and make sure it's tight. All right, guys, just to give you an idea of how I put it back on and how I took it off. I have my wrench. I held my pliers. I held the bottom piece with my pliers like that, and I had my wrench undo the top and redo the top. So it helps because this was a real pain in the butt. So I tucked it back underneath the air filter or towards that side. So now that the bottom's closed up, put this thing in the plug. Boom. And just let it drain out. Still running slowly but surely, if you guys can see it. Yeah, slowly but surely. Jeez. Oh, another thing, there's the washer on there. The washer, there's washers that's supposed to be on the dipstick, but it's not. It's actually in here, so just be careful not to lose that. You don't want any unnecessary problems. That's the sound of like 5-10 minutes. Jeez, it took a while, and there's still some left. Okay, good. All right, dipstick's cleaned off. The washer is in there. Go ahead and just put this in. Back to normal. So instead of 500 miles this time, that should be good for the next 5,000 miles. All right, let's hear it. Boom. And it's running. Wow. It's really loud, but they do what they gotta do, and then I'll leave it out here for like 10 minutes or so. Just want to say shout out to my sister for getting me this toolkit, because if it wasn't for her, this wouldn't have been possible. So thanks. Thanks a lot. I really appreciate it. Saved my day today. All right, guys, I just backed off the sidewalk. The oil temperature is 140. I'm about to go ahead and reset my trip. See, 610 miles. I'm gonna just hold on okay. Trip B, supercharger oil. Trip A, regular oil. All right, guys, thanks for sticking with me. I hope you guys learned from this video. If you have a RIPP Supercharger system kit or any other type of supercharger, I hope you learned how to successfully change your oil. And it was a real pain. This video was supposed to be short, but it took me long. It took me a while, but I mean, you learn when you first go, and second time comes around, it should be a lot easier. So thanks again. And just like that, this video is over. Thanks, guys.